Hey girl, hey. I'm dying now.
I just want to play with makeup, but I don't want to waste anything.
You don't want to waste it?
I want to get my cartilage pierced.
I want to get my pussy pierced.
Yo, pussy.
Yo, pussy. Go ahead, doctor. Or no, doctors don't pierce your pussy. Doctors don't pierce anything. Could you imagine you went to the doctor and you were like, doctor, I want to get my clit pierced. Darling. Darling.
It's 9:30.
My computer's 2 minutes off, no big deal.
That's right, bitch. Zipping, I'm zipping, I'm zipping. Soon as they come out, I'm dipping. Fill it, beat up the drum. Move like you really wanna be number one. You could beat up the top. Wanna be at the top. Yeah. Adrenaline rush, cause you have been identified as the hustler. Topic of discussion, but beat it like a percussion and chop the deuce up and tell it's just love. Ooh, ooh. Damn, digging it up. Let the bums stay mad, cause we're living it up. Ooh, ooh. I think you know what we need.
And I am big. I put it so far and I put it back in the tour bag. Across the crust.
Hold me, babe.
He could come inside of my playpen, cause he looked like a superstar in the making. So I think that I'm going in for the taking. Here for the grapevine that he caking. We could shoot a movie, he could do the taping. Boom, boom, pow, this thing be shaking. I ain't even try to find out who he dating.
Cause I know he got a wife at home, but I need this one night alone. And keep playing them killer games. I'm run away, I'm run away. So that's good, you know. They're on that regular. I said me, I'm on that 1.5 on the skinny tap. I'm the female Weezy, this shit is easy. Pull up in that new, bitch, get a squeegee. Yeah, my flow sick, yeah, my flow queasy. Haha, they was sleeping on me, z. This pussy clean, this pussy squeaky. That pussy oh, that pussy creaky. When I'm at the country, niggas call me Nicki. Hi, how are you? Yes, it's nice to meet me. Damn, Billboard. I mean, I'm winning, but I'm still bored. Yeah, we shine, gold cluster. As for your career, dead, Ghostbuster. That's why you mad. You know, I just came up in it a little bit self-centered, but did I kill a queen? The Alexander McQueen got the wrist on gold, the bottles is on cold, got the shimmer, shimmer. What the fuck I look like, bitch, I run this town. Now I'm coming out for less than 100 now. And last time I checked, I was bubbling now. Had to turn down, shows out doubling now. Wait, hold up, baby, they ain't get that there. That's 1,100 horses when I switch that gear. I just swerved on them, sorta like I missed that deer. And I pushed a little button on the sit-back chair. Bitch, I do it cause I did it, I got $1 billion credit. If you got $1 million, you can put it up and bet it. I just be like, hello, but I never could salute them. Young money, I do it for the youth then. Didn't we do this one? What is happening? We did all of these songs. Shit. Darling. Our thumb?
No, what do you want?
I'm like, sorry, bitch, you can get your thumb pierced. I'm watching you, darling. What are we... I would pierce my septum. Do you want to pierce your septum?
No. I don't. I
What?
already have my nose pierced. Let's be real. Get your septum done, I'll rip it out.
Oh, that would hurt like a motherfucker, eh?
Yeah, I could. Well, like I could handle my trade like 100.
Dude, your septum is like the easiest piercing to hide.
Because you can flip that shit in, but yeah, no. I already have this in my nose. Like, I don't want like another thing all up in it.
I thought you liked getting your holes filled.
Don't get it twisted.
Don't get it twisted, boo boo. I'm dying.
I think I might contour the shit out of my face right now.
Contour it. Contour
Yeah,
it.
I'm gonna make myself have some nice cheekbones, girl. Hold on. Hold that thought.
I'm so sick, Mel.
I mean, you just come.
I'm dying. Sometimes you just hating, but I take it out in stride. Put her in the jungle with bananas on the side. Told you they would rhyme your story, but somebody lied. I ain't talking poetry when I say this chick is fried. Anyway, Brittany, why they so jealous that you teamed up with me? Now. I am not Jasmine, I am Aladdin. So far ahead, these bums is lagging. See me in that new thing, bums is gagging. I'm starting to feel like a dungeon dragon. Mallory.
Yeah.
Marini. Our song is on.
I'm crazy. Busting up the mask.
Like a dungeon dragon, I'm starting to feel like a dungeon dragon.
Look at my show footage, how these girls be spazzing. So fuck I look like getting back to a has-been. Yeah, I said it, has-been. Hang it up, flat screen. Plasma, hey Nicki, asthma. I got the pumps. Yo,
Man.
Yo. I get it cracking like a bad bag. Bitch talking she the queen when she looking like a lab rat.
I'm Angelina, you Jennifer. Come on, bitch, you see where Brad at. Ace my wristers and I piss some bitches. You can suck my taste, nigga, we take these.